visiting France, but then you fall sick. Are you able to explain your symptoms to the doctor? And will you be able to understand the treatment the doctor is explaining to you? In this video, we are going to look at vocabulary at the doctor's office, symptoms and treatments. At the end of the video, we will look at a simple dialogue between a doctor and a patient to practice. Hi, my name is Wendy. I'm a French teacher, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, like, and comment. And if you're not following me on my socials yet, please do so. My Instagram and TikTok is @MissLingua. So let's get started with this video. First of all, to say that you're sick, in French you say je suis malade. Je suis malade. Now let's look at some of the symptoms that you can have. In French, you use the expression avoir mal. Avoir mal. And then you add the part of the body which feels sick. For example, j'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal à la tête. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai mal aux oreilles. J'ai mal aux oreilles. As you can see, the preposition a changes according to the gender of the body part. If the body part is feminine, à la, like à la tête. If the body part is masculine, au. For example, au ventre. A plus lo is au ventre. If it's plural, like les oreilles, à les oreilles, a plus les becomes e. A-U-X, A-U-X. Aux oreilles, aux oreilles. Don't forget the liaison. Still using the verb avoir, you can say avoir froid ou avoir chaud. This time we're not using mal, okay? Avoir froid, I am cold, I'm feeling cold. Avoir froid, j'ai froid. Avoir chaud, j'ai chaud, I am feeling hot. I'm feeling hot. Avoir chaud. Avoir de la fièvre, j'ai de la fièvre. J'ai de la fièvre. I'm having a fever. I'm having a fever. Avoir la douleur. Avoir la douleur. J'ai mal au ventre. J'ai la douleur au ventre. I have pain in my belly. I have pain. Avoir douleur. Avoir le nez qui coule. Avoir le nez qui coule. To have a running nose. Avoir le nez qui coule. Avoir la nausée. Les femmes enceintes ont souvent la nausée. Pregnant women often have nausea, to want to vomit. Vouloir vomir. Avoir la nausée, c'est vouloir vomir. To have a nausea or to want to vomit. Okay? J'ai la nausée. I have nausea. Avoir des vertiges. Avoir des vertiges is to be dizzy. Oh, je vais tomber. Avoir des vertiges. To be dizzy. To be dizzy. Now let's look at some verbs you can use to explain how you feel. The first one is tousser. Tousser. Tousser, to cough. To cough. I am coughing. Je tousse. Ou je tousse beaucoup. Éternuer. Éternuer. To sneeze. To sneeze. Éternuer. The third verb you can use, say saigner. Saigner. To bleed. To bleed. Je saigne. Je saigne. Je me suis coupé. Je me suis coupé. Je saigne. I cut myself. I'm bleeding. Je saigne. The verb s'occuper. We already saw the verb s'occuper. S'occuper. To cut yourself. Je me suis coupé. I cut myself. Tomber. Tomber. I fell. tombé. I fell, to fall. Je suis tombé. Je suis tombé. I fell. Ronfler, ronfler, to swell. To swell. Je suis tombé ce matin et maintenant je suis ronflé. I fell this morning and now I am swollen. I am swollen. Ronfler, to swell. Vomir. Vomir, to vomit. To vomit. Quand tu as la nausée, tu vomis. Quand tu as la nausée, tu vomis. When you have nausea, you feel like vomiting. Okay? Vomir, to vomit. And finally, so gratter. So gratter. I am scratching myself a lot. I am scratching myself a lot. So gratter. Now let's move on to treatment and some expressions the doctor may say to you. Number 1, prendre tes médicaments. Prendre tes médicaments. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Number 2, faire une prise de sang. Faire une prise de sang is to do a blood test. Do a blood test. Faire une prise de sang. Mettre un pansement. Mettre un pansement. Put a band-aid. Put a band-aid. Après la prise de sang, on met un pansement. Après une prise de sang, on met un pansement. You put a band-aid, so you stop bleeding. Pour arrêter de saigner. Okay, we've seen all these vocabularies by now. Mettre un pansement. Soigner. Soigner. To heal or to treat. To treat. Soigner. Je vais soigner ta blessure. I'm going to treat your wound. Soigner ta blessure. Blessure is wound. Wound. Prendre des pilules. Prendre des pilules is to take your pill. Pill et médicament or comprimant are two different things. Comprimant is when you're sick and pilule is when you want to protect yourself from getting pregnant. Okay? Pilule, comprimant. Two different things. Se faire vacciner. Se faire vacciner. Get vaccinated. Get vaccinated. Se faire vacciner. Se faire opérer. Se faire opérer. To get operated. To get or to be operated on. Okay? Se faire opérer. Faire une radio. Faire une radio is to do an X-ray. Do an X-ray. Fais une radio dès que possible. Do an X-ray as soon as possible. Une radio. Faire une échographie. Faire une échographie is to do an ultrasound. To do an ultrasound. Now that you've learned the vocabulary, let's practice with a dialogue. Bonjour docteur. Hello doctor. Bonjour madame. Qu'est-ce qui vous amène? Hello madame. What brings you here? Je crois que je suis malade. Je ne me sens pas très bien. I believe or I think I am sick. I do not feel very well. I do not or I don't feel very well. Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas? What is wrong? What's wrong? Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas? What's wrong? J'ai très mal à la tête et j'ai eu des vertiges ce matin. J'ai très mal à la tête et j'ai eu des vertiges ce matin. I have a terrible headache and I felt dizzy this morning. I have a terrible headache and I had dizziness or I felt dizzy this morning. Depuis quand ressentez-vous cette douleur? Since when do you have this pain? Since when do you have this pain? Cela fait 2 jours. Cela fait 2 jours. I've had it for 2 days. I've had it for 2 days. Avez-vous de la fièvre? Avez-vous de la fièvre? Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever? Non, je ne crois pas. Non, je ne crois pas. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Alors, il faut qu'on fasse plus de tests. Voici une ordonnance pour le labo. Il doit faire une radio. In that case, we have to do more tests. Here is the prescription for the laboratory. They have to do an X-ray. Ramenez-moi des résultats dès que vous les avez. Bring me the results as soon as you have them. Pour l'instant, je vais vous prescrire des médicaments pour soulager la douleur. In the time being, I will prescribe the medicine to reduce the pain. I will prescribe some medicine to reduce the pain. Merci, docteur. Thank you, doctor. Merci, bon rétablissement. Thank you and get well soon. Thank you and get well soon. I hope you found this video useful. Next time you go to a doctor's office, you have all the vocabulary you need to make a full conversation with the doctor. If you watched until the end, please do subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.